Raw footage. Clean matte. No frame-by-frame rotoscoping. Just AI, handling the tedious work for free. This is Sam Roto Studio. From the GitHub README, click the Colab link to open Sam Roto Studio. Connect to a T4 GPU in the top right. Run cell 1 to install dependencies. Once complete, run cell 2 to launch the app and click the URL. Upload your video in the top left. Sam Roto Studio gives you 3 inference tools. Think of them as a toolkit, each suited to different scene characteristics. For salient subjects with good contrast and clear separation, try InSPyReNet. It's fully automatic, no clicking, no Sam interaction needed. Just hit run and export your masks. Before we cover the other tools, keyframe selection matters. Use the timeline to scrub through your clip and find a frame where your subject is fully visible. Both MatAnyone and Sam Tracking propagate forward and backward from your chosen keyframe, so start on a strong one. When you need more control than InSPyReNet offers, try MatAnyone. Click to place Sam prompts on your subject, foreground to include, background to exclude. MatAnyone only needs this single keyframe mask and handles propagation on its own. Skip the forward and backward buttons entirely. For complex motion or low contrast footage, Sam Tracking plus ViTMatte is your most consistent option. It leverages Sam's powerful tracking directly. Place your Sam mask, then propagate through the full clip. Once tracked, run ViTMatte to refine the edges. Since results vary by footage, we recommend A/B testing each method to find the cleanest matte. Quick technical note: Sam 2 tracks pixels. It's faster and handles overlapping subjects on a single object ID. Sam 3 tracks concepts, producing better edge and hair detail, but requiring separate IDs per person. If subjects overlap, strictly use Sam 2. In After Effects, import your mask sequence, add it to the timeline, and set the alpha as a track matte. Right-click the header and enable modes if you don't see it. If you run into bugs or have ideas for the next update, please open an issue on the repo or drop a comment below. It helps keep the project alive. Thanks for watching.